So hey guys, this is Jayant and welcome to the channel. So today we are talking about VPN. VPN means virtual private network. So hey Jayant, but what is this VPN thing and why must we use it on our system? Let's answer this question in this video. Roll the intro. So now let us understand what is VPN. It is called as virtual private network, which allows you to create a secure connection to another network over the internet. VPNs can be used to access region restricted website, shield your browsing activity from prying eyes on public Wi-Fi and much more. So now let us understand how this VPN works. So I've made this diagram. This is your device and this is the server which you will connect when you are connected to the internet. These are the two ISPs, which is internet service provider. Your device is directly connected to the server by the internet, and as you can see I have made this symbols of unlocked. So just connection is not secure here and government can interfere in your connection and regulate or monitor your usage, and it has all the control on what you are browsing. Whereas if you use a VPN, here you can see this diagram, this is with VPN, you can see unlock sign only till here and here, and there you can see locked icons here. So this is the VPN client and this is the VPN server. Your ISP thinks that your VPN client is trying to access the VPN server, which is not blocked by the government, so it gives access to the VPN client to serve any site in the world, and this VPN client you can change to any country. So if you change this VPN client to, let's say, Indonesia or USA, your ISP will think that you are from Indonesia or USA, and it will unblock all the sites which are not blocked in Indonesia or in USA. This client directly joins to the server, and till then your connection is totally secured and you are here, and your ISP don't know where you are, what is your location, and all the stuff is protected here. And then your VPN server directly connects to the main server from which the information is accessed. So as you can see here, you are totally protected here, and your ISP or the government in between cannot know who are you or from which country you are accessing. They can know from which country you are accessing, but they will not know that you are an Indian who is using a VPN. So your privacy is totally fulfilled and you are totally secure here. So as I have written this in the bulletin points, no hacker or no government can access your data or can access from where are you connecting to the internet because of the VPN. And this happens only in the paid VPN and not with the free VPN, because a free VPN can also be created by a hacker to access your data. So I don't recommend you to use a free VPN. I will talk on this topic more deeply ahead, so stay tuned. Also, if you use a VPN, you are not protected by any firewall. So as you know, China has its own firewall, and there you cannot use Google. They have their own operating system, search engine, which is Baidu. So there is China's firewall. So if you use a VPN, you can also break that. So this is how the VPN cycle works, and this is without VPN and this is with the VPN. So as you can see, there are a lot of advantages by using a VPN. So now let's move to the face cam to explain you more stuff clearly. So now we have understood what is VPN. Let me tell you some its crazy uses. You can also visit sites which are banned in your country by using a VPN, by joining the different servers of different country in your VPN app. You can also watch Netflix shows which are blocked in your country. Like if a Netflix show is dedicated to India only, you can use a India VPN server to access it. Every hotel provides cheaper value to its citizens and charges higher for tourists coming from other countries. So if you use a VPN, flight or hotel booking app will know you as a citizen of that country and charge you the amount which every citizen of that country is paying and not what tourists are paying. So now let me tell you why to use this VPN. So if you're on the internet, you might be using a internet provided by your internet service provider, which is called as ISP. Your ISP might monitor your usage and sites which you visit daily. So if you use a VPN, you are anonymous and your data and your privacy is protected. Also, the government cannot monitor your usage and what you are doing on internet. You are completely independent if you use a VPN. But the catch is that you have to use a paid VPN, because free VPN, any hacker can access your data. So I insist you to use a paid VPN. If I want to give you any suggestion, I would suggest NordVPN, which I use. There is a link in the description below to download for Android, iOS, and also for Windows. You can install it on all your devices. It is very secure and safe to use, and the monthly subscription start, I don't know the price, I will display the price here so you can go and check. It provides 1 month free trial. So you can access free trial and enjoy its usage for 1 month, which is absolutely free. So how to use these VPNs? If you're using an Android or iOS device, download NordVPN app, sign in with it, and it will show you the server which is fastest to your location. Select that or select any country of the server which you are connect, and you are done. Your VPN has been activated and you can visit all the sites which are banned in your country, or watch a Netflix show, or buy a cheap price and thank me later. So to summarize things up, you can use a VPN app to browse anonymously. It also ensures your location stays private. Also, it encrypts your data and also protects your privacy. So all in all, the motto of the video was to aware people about VPN, and in today's world where the data is being leaked, I think you should use a VPN and stay safe online. Also, that was the video, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think about VPN and have you installed it on your system. Also, like and share this video with your friends who are unknown about what is VPN, and share this video on your Instagram and all social handles. Also, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. And this is Jayan signing off. I will meet you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Peace.